Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. So children, say that in the previous video we discussed the worksheets from second concept, right? That is exponents. So here in this concept this is square and square roots. So in this concept we are going to discuss the questions from worksheet 1. Okay. So what is that first question they given here? If a square number ends in 6. If a square number ends in 6, which means the number which is ending with the digit 6, then the preceding digit is always, the preceding digit of 6 is always. So just check that some values. So 6 power 1 is 6. Okay. 6 square is 36. Clear? 6 cube, which is equals to 216. Next, 6 power 4, which is equals to 216 into 6. How much you will get? 6 is 36. 616 plus 3, 9. 6 2s, 18. Okay, so 6 power 4, once check that. 216 into 6. 6 6 is 36. 616 plus 3, 9. 6 2s, 12. So 1296. So and so on. So check that. If a square number they are asking. So here we have to check that 6 square, 6 power 4, next 6 power 6, next 6 power 8 and so on. Okay, why? Because they are asking about here a square number ends in 6. So square number ends in 6. So here 6 is there, here also 6 is there. And in the similar way we can take that 4 values also. Okay, 4 square is 16. 4 power 4 is 64. Okay, or a square number ends in. So here we can take that 6 and here one of the number is there. So let us check that the values of here 16 is there, here 1296, here 36. So let us consider these 3 numbers. Here these 3 are the square numbers, right? So these 3 square numbers ending with the digit 6 only. What is its preceding digit? So 6 before, preceding means before digit only, no? Here 1 is there, here 3 is there, here 9 is there. Okay, so by observing these 3 numbers, here we can say that those 3 numbers are 1, 3, 9. Those 3 digits are odd values. Okay, odd numbers. So and in the same way, we can say that 1, 3, 9. 1 is not a composite number. We know that. Okay, so easily we can delete that last option. And a prime number. So 3 is a prime number, but 9 is not a prime number. So this is also wrong option. Okay, next first one, even number and odd number. So these are not even numbers. So we can delete that first option also. So which one is correct, ma, here? An odd number. Understand which one is correct? An odd number. So here this is the first question. So let us check that second question. So what they given in that second question? See here, if x power y into y power x, which is equals to 256. X power y into y power x is equal to 256. So children, here just you have to write the prime factorization of 256. So 256 prime factorization is 2 power 8 only, no? So just see here 2 128s, 2 64s, 2 32s, 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. Okay, so finally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can write this one as x power y into y power x is equals to 2 power 8. 2 power 8. But children, see here we are having 2 variables, but here we are having only one exponential form. So we can split this one as x power y into y power x is equals to, we can write it as 2 power 4 into 2 power 4. Shall we write like this? 2 power 4 into 2 power 4, again 2 power 8. Again we can split this one. How means x, y, here y, x, just opposite numbers. Here x and y. Again here y and y. So these 2 values are same and x get same. Right? So that's why we can write this one as 2 power 4 into, here we can write this one as 2 square whole square. Again we can write like that, no? So from this one, 2 power 4 into 2 square is 4 square. Understand? So here 4 is there, here also 4 is there, here 2 is there, here also 2 is there. Understand? So here this is in the form of x and this is y. So again y is same and this is x. Understand or not? So in that way we have to write this one as 2 power 4 into 4 square. Okay, this is equals to x power y power x. Now what they're asking ma? X and y values they're asking. So x is equals to 2, y is equals to 4. Okay, after we need to find the value of x plus y whole square. So 2 plus 4 whole square. 2 plus 4 is 6 square, which is equals to 36. 6 is 36. So which option is correct ma here? Yes, positive only, no, always a square is positive. Okay, so that's why here answer is 36. So let us check that here. Third question. What is the third one? One of the following which is not a perfect square. One of the following which is not a perfect square. So children, here we are having some rules. Okay, what are those rules? A perfect square never ends with perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 and 8. 2, 3, 7 or 8. Okay, so if that is a perfect square, that is never ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. Once check that. Here perfect squares, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49. Next, 8 square is 64. Okay, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. Okay, up to here this is sufficient. So check that 1496, 1496, and here after 5. Next again 1496. Clear? And here 0. So when you observe these all the numbers here, each and every number is ending with the digits 14960 Okay, just keep it in order. So 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So we are having digits 0 to 9 digits. So out of 0 to 9 digits, here 0, if the number is ending with a 0, but that is also having some rules, right? 2 zeros, even number of zeros there means that is a perfect square. Okay, and here that number is ending with the 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Then we can say that there is a chance to get that one as a perfect square. Okay, so here if that number is ending with, if that given number ends with any one of the digits from that 2, 3, 7, 8, easily we can say that is not a square number. That is not a perfect square. Okay, so as per this one they are asking here, one of the following which is not a perfect square. So here the first number starting with 9. Okay, sometimes we can say that here that number is ending with 9. So for example 29 is there. So this number is ending with 9. Is it a perfect square? This is not a perfect square. That is ending with 9. So there is a chance that is a perfect square. At that cases also you have to check that. Okay, but here as per this one, here they given that here this number is ending with 5, so there is a chance. Here this number is ending with 9, so there is a chance. And here this number is ending with 3. So as per this question, here one of the option that is related to one of the digit which is not there in the list of prime number, sorry, in the list of perfect square numbers. Okay, so if that is a particular number that is a perfect square, that is never ends with any one of the digits from 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay, but here this number is ending with 3. Ending with 3. So that's why here without checking easily we can say that this is not a perfect square. That is not a perfect square. So in some cases they will give that. Here these 3 numbers given. In some cases this is ending with some 6. Okay, at that cases here these 4 numbers also there is a possibility those 4 numbers are perfect squares as well as, and in the same way they may not be a perfect squares. So at that cases you have to check for you have to go for the checking process. Okay, division method you have to apply there. Okay, so here which one is that correct option ma? That is option D. Clear? Next question number 4. Yes, see here the sum of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus and so on up to plus 27 is. So here we have the formula. What is that? Sum of first n natural odd numbers or n odd natural numbers. N odd natural numbers. Okay, what is that formula? Sum of first n odd natural numbers, which is equals to n square formula is there. What is that? N square. Okay, so see here, n means here number of given odd numbers, number of odd numbers. So children, here odd numbers, if that the last number is odd, the last number is odd, just add 1 to that. Then the last number is 27, no? So 27 plus 1 by 2. Then we will get how many numbers are there in that? So 27 plus 1, 28 by 2. So here we will get it as 14. Okay. So here n is equals to 14. Now what they are asking here? N square. So sum of first and odd natural numbers. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on plus 27, which is equals to 14 square. So 14 square means answer is 196. 14 square value is 196. Am I clear? So children, so this is the formula. What is that? Sum of first and odd natural numbers. To find its value, we have to find that n square value. How we will get that n? For example, here some 15 is there. So 15 is an odd number, right? So that's why here if you add 1 to that, then you will get even number. So by 2. If you divide by 2, then you will get that a number of odd numbers they are given. Okay. If you have any doubt, just check that now. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 up to 7 only they given, no? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So finally we got that 14. Understand? So no need to write these all the things, just simply the last number what they given here plus 1 by 2, then you will get that how many odd numbers they given. Understand? So simply just you have to substitute that number here, then what is that answer? N square. So n square means 14 square, which is equals to 196. So which option is correct ma here? Yes, option C is correct. Clear? Yes. So question number 5. What is the question number 5? One of the following which is not a Pythagorean triplet. One of the following which is not a Pythagorean triplet. So we know that Pythagorean triplets, right? But here which one is not satisfying that condition? Which condition? Here we can check in two processes. Okay. One is if that is a Pythagorean triplet, then we know that a side square plus side square is equals to hypotenuse square. This is one of the method. Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, to check that one. Then you will get that answer. Or else another formula is there. What is that? Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet is always in the form of 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. This is the formula. Okay. So simply you can use this one, then you will get it. Okay. So the first option, what is that ma? 14, 48, 50. So is it a Pythagorean triplet or not? Just check that. Okay. So 14 we can write it as a 2 sevens 14. Shall we write like this? 2 sevens 14. Next, second one, m square. So m is equal to 7 now here. 7 square minus 1, 7 square plus 1. So check that. 2 sevens 14. Comma 7 square 49 minus 1 49 plus 1. So we will get this one as a 14 48 50. That's what they given, no? 14 48 50. Is it satisfying this condition ma? Yes, satisfying. Next is second option. What is that second option? 22 120 122. So again apply the same condition. 2 into something, 2m, right? So this first number always divides with 2. Then easily you will get that m value. So 2 11s 22. Clear? The second number 11 square minus 1, third number 11 square plus 1. Okay, so 2 11s 22, 11 square is 121, 121 minus 1 is 120, and this is 121 plus 1, 122. So 22, 120, 122. 22, 120, 122. Again we are getting, satisfying that. Next check that third one. So third option, check that. 18, 79, 82. Is it satisfying the given condition or not? So 18 divided by 2. So 2 9s 18. Next. Second number, what is that as per this one? 9 square minus 1, 9 square plus 1. Okay. So 2 9s 18. 9 9s are 81 minus 1, 80. 81 plus 1, 82. Okay, actually this is that Pythagorean triplet, but here what they given? 18, 18. Here 79 given, here 80 given. So this is the wrong one. Okay, next 82, 82. Okay, as per this one, here this is that wrong, right? That is not a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, still one more option is there, no? So check that option also. So 10, 24, 26. So this is divided by 2. So 2 5s 10. Next one is 5 square minus 1. Next one 5 square plus 1. So 2 5s are 10. 5 square means 25 minus 1, 24. 25 plus 1, 26. So satisfying that condition. So which option is wrong here? That is option C, 18, 79, 82. But here at the place of 79, we will get that 80. Okay. So children, in this video we discussed that 1 to 5 questions. So the leftover questions we will discuss in that next video. Okay. Thank you all.